Okay, second page of the DBA, District Benchmark Assessment Review Packet. What type of elements have characteristics of both 5 and 6? 5 and 6 we're talking about metals and non-metals, so those are going to be your metalloids. Those are the ones that are right along that stair step, okay, on either side of it. If we look on my well done periodic table here, there are these guys, okay, coming down that stair step, okay. How many valence electrons do halogens have, okay? So as we talked about before, halogens are going to be right here, and it's kind of covered up, but my valence electrons are going to be 7, okay? They have 7 valence electrons. Alkali metals, again, all the way over here. Again, it's covered up, but Roman numeral 1, so they have 1 valence electron. Alkali earth, Roman numeral 2, 2 valence electrons. And noble gases, which do not react with anything, are going to have 8 valence electrons because they have a full octet rule, okay? Coming down here, given these boiling points, okay, I have these boiling points here. What's a reasonable prediction for sodium? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to realize that these guys are in the same group, okay? I have lithium, I have potassium, I have rubidium, and I do not have sodium listed. Well, I go over here. Let's make this chart. I have lithium, do not have sodium, I have potassium, and I have rubidium. I'm missing this guy right here, okay? This guy's at 1330. This guy is at 759. This guy's at 688. Well, I notice a trend that as I'm going down this way, my boiling points are decreasing. So that means I'm going to have to be between 1330 and 1759. This guy's out of the running because he's above my highest number. This guy is below, and this guy is below. That's 759, leaving only that 910 as the correct answer. Okay. Moving on to my heating curve, kinetic energy, energy in motion. Potential energy is stored energy. Okay. Rank them, A, B, C, in terms of kinetic energy. The lowest kinetic energy is A. Why? Because that also has the lowest temperature. Temperature is the measurement of kinetic energy. Highest kinetic energy is going to be C. Those molecules are moving the fastest. Okay. As it goes through a phase change, what happens to the temperature? Well, this is a phase change here. This is a phase change here. If I'm looking at my temperature, let's just arbitrarily say that this is 0 and this is 100. Let's make this a water phase change curve. This does not change. That temperature change doesn't change during a phase change, and neither does this one. So as a substance goes through, what does the temperature do? It does not change. No change. Endothermic reaction, it's when the system gains energy. Okay, think about a snowman melting. That snowman's going to have to gain energy for it to melt. Exothermic reaction is when the system releases energy. Talk about a firework. Okay, student puts a hot crucible on the table. Heat transferred from the what to the what. You could say a couple things. You could say from the crucible to the lab bench, whatever. Or you could say from the substance. Sorry for the shaking. To the system. System's going to be outside that system. Sorry. I'm doing this in one take. I'm not going to change it. So substance to the system. Okay? So that is the second page of the review packet.